Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps from Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start, then go to your settings. Right here, select the apps, then install the apps. Here you will see all of the apps that are installed on your tablet. You can find whichever one you want to uninstall. And I'm looking for Firefox, here it is. Click on the three dots next to the app you want to remove and then select uninstall. Confirm it and then proceed with the uninstallation setup. And now this program is removed from our tablet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.